Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my unboxing video for the 007 Plus fitness tracker. Straight out of the box you can see that it's a fitness tracker that styles itself just like the Fitbit fitness trackers. Also included in the packaging is an information booklet that lets you know how to use the tracker, how to set it up, also which app you need to download to see the data on your phone. I think they've been really smart here when it comes to how you charge the tracker. As you can see, you don't need any extra cables. All you need to do is take the pebble out of the outer casing and then you can plug it into a computer or any USB port and charge your tracker. So once you've downloaded the app and you've synced it with your phone, then you can start seeing the full features of this tracker. As you can see, you can track exercises on it, but it also counts your steps and you can track sleep data on it as well. There's a few cool features on it. You can sync it with your social media so that you get notifications on your phone. You can set an alarm on the tracker. It has different activity modes, and it also states that the tracker is waterproof. I find it interesting how they've made this tracker because it starts to count your steps after about 30 to 50 steps. So it's actually counting your active steps rather than you just getting up and moving about. It's quite interesting that this tracker looks just like the Fitbit. At face value, it seems to have a lot of the features and more. Even if you look here, you can use it to take pictures from your phone, but it's at a much cheaper price. I'm going to have a lot of fun testing this tracker and seeing exactly what it can do. I'll be doing a free giveaway of this tracker, and to win, all you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment below. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this tracker and would you like to see a full review of it? Thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe to TechLoto for more unboxing videos, and don't forget to visit the website.